Hey everyone, and welcome to DataSurface. In today's session, we are exploring something that's transforming the future of data. Sounds interesting, right? Let's jump in. Alright, let's talk about something huge that's happening all around us. Data. We are literally swimming in it, right? Every click you make, every online chat, every single second create tons of information, right? All are kind of a digital world, right? But here is the smart part. So, it's not just about having a big data anymore. It's about smart data. Data that's quick, helpful, and ready to use. That's where the amazing power really is, right? So how we actually use it well? In order to get this smart data from the digital world, we need a smart systems, right? Now that we have got our attention with the power of data, let me quickly tell you what we do here at Data Surface. Our goal is simple. We want to make complex tech easy to understand, explain all those tricky words, and genuinely give you what you need to success in your data career. If that sounds good to you, please hit the subscribe button and join our fantastic community. And hey, if you are very new to this data space or new to the channel, in order to get a really solid start or foundation, check out our data fundamentals playlist. It is super helpful resource. Trust me, have a look at once. Now coming back to our topic, as we discussed in this today's digital world, to get the smart data, we need a smart systems. Unfortunately, the truth for the many companies is that their old systems or legacy systems just aren't made for today's fast data world, which means it is not suits for today's fast data world. Those are old legacy systems. No, right? The ones slow data warehouses, messy data lakes, and all those separate tools that just don't work together nicely. So they have become big problem, haven't they? They keep data separate, they slow your team performance, and they make growing your business a huge headache. Right? It's a pretty frustrating, isn't it? So what if there was a much better, simpler way to put you back in chat easily? Well, get ready, because today we are super excited to introduce platform called Snowflake, the modern data cloud platform. So this is way more than just an upgrade. It is a huge change in how data is stored, used, and made active. It's a super powerful, can grow infinitely, and it is surprisingly easy to use. Snowflake is truly changing what's possible with the data. And to guide you through this exciting journey, let's quickly see what we will cover in this video. Ready to see what's coming next? So your quick trip into the Snowflake universe starts right now. We are not just listing things, we are showing you key ideas that make Snowflake special. We'll start with the decoding the data cloud, so which will explain what it is Snowflake really. And then we will walk through the architecture, looking inside to see how it is clever design works. Then we will discover, unlock the true value, showing you the real benefits for our business. And finally, we'll explore the building tomorrow's apps, seeing all the cool things you can create with the Snowflake. Sounds like a plan, right? Let's dive into the main stuff. So let's break it down. What exactly is Snowflake? At its core, it's a data cloud platform. Think of this as a global superfast system that grows easily no matter how much data you have. It's a pretty amazing, right? So built for the cloud, what we call cloud native, means it works smoothly with all big cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, giving you awesome flexibility. And here is the key. It does much more than just hold data warehouses. It brings everything together, from live reports to AI and secure sharing, all in one place. So no more juggling separate tools ever for different things, right? So the Snowflake is in nutshell, is a cloud platform. It's a single platform for all your needs. And you might already heard about the Snowflake in fast, saying it is a cloud data warehouse, but it started where the cloud data warehouse, but from last 3 to 4 years it's grown like anything. Now it became a single platform for all kind of workloads. On top of that, you can build apps also by using the Snowflake platform. Now let's actually see how this powerful system works. Imagine Snowflake as your smart central data hub. You easily get your raw data in through ingestion pipelines. So basically, you can ingest all your data by using the ingestion pipelines. This data is then safely stored with the clear rules. Once you ingest the data, you can organize this data more unified way, the strong security rules. And the interesting part here is diverse workloads. Different teams like those doing reports, AI, or building apps can all use the exact same live data at the same time with no copying or waiting around. So how efficient is that? Plus, you get a strong, secure, and data sharing. You can easily share your data with anybody more secure way. And also it's a providing a marketplace. So where you can even monetize your data, or if you feel you're really interested in some data which is useful for your use case, can easily buy the data from this marketplace. So as name suggested, it is a kind of a marketplace. Either you can sell or buy the data from Snowflake platform. On top of that, you can build your all apps on by using this Snowflake platform. All of this, my friends, the single platform works like a real data team in action. So how Snowflake do all this? We'll take a glance of Snowflake architecture. Right? So Snowflake's architecture is a hybrid of traditional shared disk and shared nothing database architecture. Similar to shared disk, it has single storage, like a centralized storage layer. You can store all your data. This act as a single source of truth for all of your data. And get this, you have a separate compute engines for different jobs. One loads data, other runs reports, and other one works on AI. The best part is they all use same data at same time with no fighting for power. How smart is that? This means it can grow as you need it with no limits. Apart from this magic, they're coming with the geo management, which means there is no headache for your team. This infrastructure management, everything will be taken care by Snowflake, and it's coming with the native data sharing. You can share your data across all cloud regions in a secure way, in an easy way, without physically copying the data, and near unlimited elasticity, which means you can almost near unlimited storage and compute power, you can get it. On top of that, this entire stuff is coming with the robust security and governance. So this platform truly excels in every way that matters to your business. It's all there ready for you to use. Now, I hope by the time we got like what is Snowflake and what are the core components in the Snowflake, and how the Snowflake architecture it looks like, how it works basically. So still wondering why Snowflake is top choice for our data? Let's see what are the core benefits providing by Snowflake. So the benefits are super clear. You can see the chart clearly shows how good Snowflake is in all the key areas. It's a blazing fast, right? Handles huge amount of data easily, and it is a cost efficiency. It's a great for your budget. You only pay for what you use it, and super easy to use. Scalability, flexibility is providing. You can grow as you need it, and it's coming with a strong security and compliance. Plus, it will provide the single platform to collaborate across different teams and different use cases. So this is kind of a coming is a single platform. This platform truly excels in every way that matters to you, your business. It's all there ready for use. So this is a perfect cloud tech. Wouldn't you agree? It changes everything. So let's see what can you actually build and do with a Snowflake. The possibilities are very huge. From setting up your main data storage and smart data lakes to running cool AI projects, shapely sharing data and making app faster, Snowflake helps you do it all single platform. It is a single platform for all your workloads. You can use as a enterprise data warehouse, or you can use as a data lake, or if you want to share, or if you want to monetize your data, that flexibility, that feature is providing by the Snowflake. Or if you want to run your AI algorithms or machine learning use cases on your data, that flexibility the Snowflake is providing. If you want to build some apps on your data, on top of your data, you don't need to go anywhere. You can use again Snowflake. This quick look is just the start of what we can achieve with this platform. So join us in our upcoming video series as we dive deeper into the Snowflake capabilities and show you how to unlock your data's full potential. Hit the subscribe button and join in DataSurface. Alright everyone, that wraps up our exciting quick glance into the Snowflake. Thanks so much for watching and for your support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hold on. Just click the subscribe button for more interesting and practical tutorials. We'll keep learning together. See you in the next video.